Last day. Good morning. It's already light. This is weird because we must have come out of the apartment late, which means we are rushing to do our walk-in tour this morning, which we're going to kick it off with. But first, we've got to see if we can drop these bags off in a locker at the bus station so that we're not walking around with the bags all bloody day because our flight is out quite late. So, walk-in tour, more exploring. Size and elevation.
Right, we're here already to lock our bag.
8.
One day. How much is it? Like $10? Almost 7?
No, yeah. It's like $7-ish.
$7, yeah. Yeah, it's great.
You want to take anything else from your thing?
A couple of monasteries with really rich, when you have alcohol, when you have nightlife and sailors and everything that sailors are up to when they're out on the ship, then the city is quite different from peaceful and close to nature countryside.
Big old group of people.
Yeah, I know, but it's cool.
So they do free walk-in tours every day at 10 AM. And we signed up for it yesterday. Didn't sign up for it today, we just showed up. So rock up to the Tiger at 10 AM. They'll give you a free walk-in tour.
Yes! Yeah.
Feel it.
If you're tough, you come here.
No, but look at all the wood they use for the saunas. And that looks like a private one.
Yeah, the purple one was pretty cool.
Is organising it, yeah.
Do the walk-in tour is a great experience. You will learn so much about the history, the city, and things that Oslo can offer. To make your experience even better, do the walk-in tour in the first days of your travel. So she can give you a lot of good information and ideas, and then you can enjoy even more your travel.
My nose is cold now. And my bones are cold.
We just got a scholar break. And we just need to break because it's very cold outside. I'm just gonna have a coffee, little tree.
Awesome. It's good. Is that coconut?
Yeah.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited with this place?
Yeah, this is EatHappy.
Vegan.
EatHappy vegan restaurant.
Yeah.
It's Vietnamese.
Yeah.
It's been recommended massively.
The shrimp chips, starting to drink.
Vegan prawn cup. That's me. Is it good? Very good. Hot.
Yeah, I burnt my tongue. Nothing really.
Is that hot?
I told you it was hot.
Very good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah? First time having vegan pho. It's good.
Mm-hmm. It's very good.
Fresh.
It's very good. Mm-hmm. Very fresh. We just got some
Nougat.
nougat. I don't even know what is it. I just it's actually very, very good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Look. We are now in Grunerlocker. I think it's a cool street here. And it has a lot of shoppings, coffees, restaurants and everything.
Graffiti, cool architecture. It's nice around here, isn't
Yeah.
it? So we'll explore here a bit. It's I was gonna say it's cooled down, but it's not. It's warmed up just a bit. We're not as cold at the minute, but that might be just because we've just been inside again. So we'll see. But we'll explore around this Grunerlocker. See if we can do a little bit of Christmas shopping, even though we don't know what we're supposed to be buying. Something we have noticed since being here in Oslo is the sheer amount of malls, like mini malls, like inside the buildings and like funnily arranged. Look, kind of like funkily arranged to fit around the buildings and where they can make a mall. I'm assuming it's because like it's so bloody cold. Of course you want to be inside, but it could be something else. And we were thinking, well, this would be a good idea to do some Christmas shopping, but then you remember that Norway, and particularly Oslo, ain't cheap. So, like, you ain't going to be coming here to do some shopping, specifically in Oslo. I wouldn't have thought, unless you're maybe from other parts of Norway, and Oslo's, like, the big city here, so then you would come. But other than that, like, you're not coming here to do shopping, but, I mean, I guess some people are, because this is one of, like, 4 or 5 malls around here. There are a lot of them and they're not small, so people are clearly doing shopping. Just not me. We're told that the hot dogs here at any 7-Eleven are really good. There it is. Yes. How is it?
Actually, it's very nice, yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. You think, no, I don't think it's just because it's a long time since you've had a hot dog?
Yeah.
But it's still good.
Must be, yeah, it's still very good, yeah. Looks like real sausage, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, it's like, got that real, like, porky smoky thingy. Kind of crap, but kind of good. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like,
it's nice.
Yeah, you know it's a hot dog. It's good. Oh, yeah. Okay, what is this now?
It's like a chocolate bun. I don't know actually. I just
chocolate
see
chip
everywhere.
bun.
Yeah, I just see this everywhere, and I very fancy to eat. Now we try it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Very good. Very good. Very bready, but very good. What do you think?
Yeah, it's just like a bread roll. It's like there's no, the dough isn't overly sweet. The dough's just normal kind of sweet dough with just chocolate chips in it.
No, but that's very good. You don't think it? I thought it was very good.
I just think, why has no one done this idea before? It's just
I like it.
It's not, I'm saying it's bad. I'm saying it's just bread with chocolate. So this is the huge Oslo Public Library. And then we're going to make what is probably going to be our last stop to see if we can see a view from the top of this guy. Up here. That is the famous Oslo Opera House. And it is recently opened and it's been built to resemble, was it an iceberg? What's cool about it is that you can climb all the way to the top. I say all the way, it's like, it's not too high, but it's like the way it's built is with ramps and stuff, so we're going to climb to the top of it, see if we can finish this trip with a view. That is the sauna that we were at the beginning. I think there's, if you can see, if this camera can pick it up, there's actually people inside. Be quick. I've just jumped in the water. Do you think this looks like a iceberg? You do?
Yeah.
Kinda, right? I think in general in Norway it's come under a lot of slack because it's bloody expensive to build, but I think it's cool. I mean, it's a clearly quite an iconic landmark of the place, so yeah. Ready to go to the ground floor? Yeah, let's go. There we go. Nailed it. We almost interrupted their dinners. If we had jumped on a different part, we'd have hit them.
Yeah.
It's nice in here, eh? I think there actually is a opera on tonight.
Yeah, there are.
There is?
Mm-hmm. There is, yeah.
Ah, water. Forgot about this.
Right.
So what did you get?
We got deal. It's like 4 pastries.
4 pastries?
For like 20. I got this one, it's chocolate and cream. This one is the one we tried before because it's so good.
No, you should save that one.
Oh, this one is cinnamon and cream. And this is pistachio.
Oh, which one are we going to have now?
I think this one, what do you think?
Yeah, alright. You got a tissue? Oh yeah.
Worth it.
Oh, it's like Schneck.
Yeah, but with different... Schneck is a Brazilian pastry.
Bready like the other one, but much more sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this.
Here we go. Time to go home.
Time to go back to England. So we found out we got a FlyToGet ticket to come here. It's actually double the price of the normal train, which also just goes directly to the airport anyway. It was really comfortable, right? The other train, but we'll see how this one is, and we'll see if... Yeah, we've got a review of both then. We've got one that's half the price of the other one that's the premium way to get there. These are regular tickets. It gives you a warning also that you can't use this to get the special train. But I don't know, we'll see.
Let's go.
I think that was definitely worth saving, what was it, 200 NOK kroners on, what, it was a 25-minute journey instead of a 20-minute journey. It was a slightly, like, less boutique-style train or something, but overall, definitely worth saving the money on that train. We're now at the airport. 5 minutes later than we would have been, but $20 richer. So, we made it to the airport. We made it through our 3-day trip to Oslo. We need to get your ticket and we need to get dinner, so we're not going to continue the video. We'll end it here. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Please comment below. The comments we always love, especially about things that we are wrong about and about other people's experience in the places that we went. So if you've been to Oslo, or if you have any corrections, or if you want to go to Oslo, or if you have any comments whatsoever, drop them below.
If you're new in the channel, please subscribe because it will help out so much. And I think I see you in the next one.